Steel, Broome County, New York,
Jill's got
2.82 acres.
Jill's a little basketball flustered right now. I can tell it's
It's okay.
cute for me and a pain in the ass for everybody else.
Silly. Offer price $30,000 for both lots. There's 2 of them. This is great. And things we can sell them for 60, like sell each for 30. Love it. So buy for 15, sell for 30, roughly. Both lots are buildable. Lots were cleared of any large trees about 5 or 6 years ago, but have not been touched.
Passes all the adjacent tests. This is probably a church or something commercial. It's got incredible access. There's 2 APNs instead of 1. All positive stuff. So $15,000 each. Sell for 30 each. Those are great price points. All that's left for me is to look at the adjacent comps. There's one right there.
Look at the nice above ground pool next door. Power lines are on the other side of the street for those family members you don't want close by.
What is this across the street here?
Apartments.
Excellent.
Oh,
So now
nice.
you got a lot of people driving by. Looks like there's a pretty serious slope up
back
there.
there,
Or
yeah.
unless it's just trees, skewed satellite trees. Can't tell. Yeah, it's slope.
That's cool though.
It's okay. The front part, like, it's okay.
No, I like this one. As long as the
too.
price makes sense on the sell side.
This is a perfect comp. $249 and you're in for 15.
Hold on a moment. I want to check one thing though. This comp that we're looking at, the parcel is bigger. I just want to just alert that. This is 3 acres. Built in 67. I love it. We toggle back if you don't mind. 3 acres versus technically we're half. We're at 2.
2.4.
Oh, and
and
2.8.
2.0.
Okay, got it. Oh,
I would buy
that's
these.
good. Yeah, I'm in.
I would too.
I would get a sign, the second escrow closed, I would put signs up
Yeah.
too. And these are, the traffic here count's going to be great here.
Yeah.
Where are we in New York here? Yeah.
Catskills.
Catskills. Green light on that.
It's a good one.
Excellent. We haven't had to do this in a while, so thank you, everyone. Anyone that we didn't get, there's a couple that we didn't get here, just a handful that go ahead and just put them in Discord and we can ask our peers.
Yeah.
Or if you still have questions for next week, you know where to find
Yeah.
us.
Next week it's good
Just
too.
try to keep us not.
You know,
over 2
honestly,
hours.
it's not you guys. You guys are awesome. I spent more time on these presentations than I usually do.
It's
So
it's Jack's fault.
it was me.
I think we're
was a
goofing off
good
a little bit too.
We're having fun.
Great deals. You know, again, way more than half of the properties we looked at was a yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, I do want to say is, I mean, people are asking where the economy is going, where's things going. And I mean, the last 3 weeks, it's just been, the deals we've reviewed have just been outstanding. It's been,
Yeah.
you know, like if you're worried about deal flow, watch the Thursday call. I mean, it's crazy what
True.
I mean, it's been, I mean, I've been on these calls for a while now and just watching them before we were on them. And I mean, these last 3 weeks have just been incredible.
They have been.
So some of these deals on here, I mean, people are making some money. I'll tell you that much.
I think you guys nailed it earlier. You got creative with where you're sending mail and you, I think seems like everybody dropped their prices down a little, which is how it's supposed to go.
Exactly.
Thanks, Lath. This is.
Thank you
very much. We appreciate you.
Everybody else will be here next week.
Yep.
Thank
See you
you.
soon.
We'll see you guys soon.
Thanks.
Okay.
Bye. We hope you found our content valuable and we appreciate your support. If you have not already, please check out our channel and hit the subscribe button.
And your comments and suggestions help us to create the content you're here for. Hitting the like button helps to support our channel's algorithm and gauge your interest for future shows.